Hi everybody, this is Callie with Jemminz. Welcome back to my channel. It's time for us to open up our next 10 saltwater akoya pearls. Let's go. I'm gonna turn the camera down. And I found my pearl. Woohoo! I'm gonna show you that here in just a second. All right, there we go. Look at what's in here. I found the pearl that we've lost. It was down in my bucket really deep and I had a really hard time finding it. So we now have it. Let's measure that little puppy. We'll put it in our bag. That is a 7.19 pearl. There you go. So that's the one that we lost the other day when I opened, or a couple weeks, I think it was 2 weeks ago when I opened that pearl up. And that is what it was. All right, so wow, that one's ready to open. That was easy. There's no twin in that one. All right, we're just going to get rid of that. That was funny. Put these up there. Open up 10 more pearls. That one's really pretty there. That one's a 6.58. There you go. Put that in there. Next to that one's a kind of a purplish color. That's kind of cool. All right, let's open up this big one because it is ready to, look at that. It just opened right up. All right, let's put that in there. We'll get it cleaned up. There is not another one in there. That's a good shell. All right. That was a surprise. I wasn't expecting that shell to open up that well. All right, so there you go. That's a pretty yellow. Let's see what the size of this one is. Just for those of you who are joining us, we are opening up saltwater pearls so that I can make bath bombs with them. And turn that around so you guys can see those really pretty. There we go. And so if you order a bath bomb from me, you will have either a freshwater pearl or a saltwater pearl in it, depending on which one you order. So go out and get those pearls. I have about 100, a little over, actually I think I have about 200 freshwater pearls available. And I have, and 50, approximately 50 saltwater pearls. Get out of the way. So definitely go get them. That one's a really pretty, look at that pretty, it's kind of a steel blue. It's hard to describe that one. 6.87. Oh, it like fell out, but it's 6.87. I'm not going to remeasure that one. All right, ooh, let's look at these little ones. I love these little ones because these little ones can sometimes come up with the biggest pearls. It's so much fun. All right. And it's just going to open right up. Look at that. Ooh, look at that black. Holy cow. That's really pretty. That one's kind of like a mermaid, bluish purple, black. That is, oh, it is a blue. It's the color. It's really funny because when they come out of here, they're a little bit on the wet side, and then when they dry, they really, you get your color. That one is a mermaid. I don't know if you can see that or not. There you go. That one's really pretty. I'll put it in here with the others. Look at that. That's the one that we just opened. It's really pretty. All right, so let's open up some more. It's so funny how these pearls are just opening right up for me now. Okay. Maybe. You can see that, there it is. That one's a really deep red. Nothing more in there. Pick up some little pieces here. This is a tiny one. It's really pretty red. There we go. 6 point, I think it's 2.6 is what it is reading. I have my hand under it so it doesn't fall out. Put that next to that yellow. Look at that pretty red. That is gorgeous. That's a maroon red. There it is. There. See, that's what I was talking about. Look at that little one. That one came out of a fairly big one, and this one came out of a little one. There's not another one in there. So you never know what you're going to get when you open them up. All right. That one is 6.62 or thereabouts. My camera's shifted down a little bit. Sorry, guys. Didn't realize it till just now. I'm going to have to get a new holder. A little bit of seagrass there. That's a little seagrass. Oh, right open. All right, there's the one pearl. We have a really beautiful variety today. And not too messy this time. That one's kind of a copper red. Let's see if we can get a good one. Oh, 7.11. There it is. So that one's kind of pretty. Let's put that one there. Yeah, it's kind of a really pretty one. Different color. Oh, I won't even have to do anything with this one. Watch this one. It is right there. I mean, it literally busted in my hand when I touched it. Let's see if we can break it open. That pearl out of the corner there. We'll pop that in there for a second while I explore the rest of this shell that doesn't want to open. There it goes. Anything else in there? No, there's nothing else in there. I'm just completely shattered on me. All right, let's bring that one up. That one's really pretty. Switch my towel around. Oh. Bag of my other pearls we opened up are in there. There's a few of them left over. And I'm not showing you every single pearl that I get. I'm just giving you a variety so that you guys can see what you're getting in. But oh, that one just opened right up. Cool. Makes it easy for me. Clean that up here real quick. Board keeps sliding around on me. That one's kind of a purplish gray. 6.6263 right in there. It's bouncing back and forth on me when I did that. All right, let's open up our last pearl here. Let's see what we got. There we go. Oh, look at that pretty green. Ha ha ha. Let's see if there's anything else in there. I don't think there is. It feels like there is, but there's, oh, but the shell has a little bump on it there. Okay. That is gorgeous. Look at that green. Some lucky winner's going to get, or some lucky person's going to get that pretty green. Look at that. All right. So there you go. There are our next 10 pearls. There you go. Hold those up there. Aren't those gorgeous? And our bath bomb pearls. And as I'm stuffing the pearls in the shells, I will show you which one goes in there. And then you can randomly get them. All right, you guys. Thanks so much for joining me. We'll open up another, I think we've got 2 more sets of 10s going up shortly. So definitely go and check those out. And see what you get in your bath bomb. Bath bombs are available on the website now, so definitely go get them. And every bath bomb you get that will have the freshwater or the saltwater pearl in them. I can't speak today. It's one of those days. All right, everybody, thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button, and don't forget to leave a comment down below and go get those pearls, those bath bombs. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.